The BePro hands-free car speakerphone is easy to use. It comes with a convenient car charger and USB cord. Simply connect the two parts and plug it into the car lighter socket. Once the BePro is charged, slide the power switch to on. Then, hold the voice command key down for a few seconds to select your language. Now, pair the device to your phone through Bluetooth, and it will let you know when it is connected.
Connected.
Simply slide the BePro onto your sun visor and you're ready to go. Use voice commands to answer calls by saying yes,
Yes.
and decline calls by saying no.
No.
Make a call by pressing the voice command button to activate Siri. Call Peter Thompson.
Calling Peter Thompson.
The BePro speaker will also play music and GPS directions from your phone. Order yours today.